determine the differentiability of a function at x equals to a, use the first principle definition, find your f prime a. So a is 2. Means you're going to find f prime 2 at x equals to 2. Limit a is equals to 2, a is equals to 2, so x approximate to function minus f2 over x minus 2. So this is our first principle formula. And then look at our function, modulus function. So for modulus function, we have to define it as piecewise. X minus 2 for x minus 2 greater equals to 0, negatively when it is less than 0. So when we simplify, more than 2, negative x plus 2, this is less than 2. So our function happen at x equals to 2, more than 2, x minus 1, less than 2, negative x plus 2. So we can see our function change at x equals to 2. And then look at the limits. X want to approximate 2, correct? X want to approximate 2. So for this limit, we need to do one-sided limit. We need to do left-hand side, we need to do right-hand side, because the function, when you want to approximate x equals to 2, when you want to go near equals to 2, left-hand side and right-hand side difference. So we want to make sure this limit exists or not. Then only we can know it is differentiable or not. Alright, so for this limit, we need to calculate left-hand side. Okay. So before we calculate this one, find the coordinate first. What is coordinate f2? Coordinate x equals to 2 fall in this interval, which is formula x minus 2. So substitute x2, 2 minus 2 equals to 0. So limit 2, x approaches 2 from the right hand side. Function involved here, x minus 2, coordinate is 0. So the right hand side function gives us 1. The limit approaches, when limit x approximate 2 from the right hand side of the function, it gives us 1. Then we analyze left hand side. Is it same? Left hand side function is negative x plus 2. So when we factorize negative, simplify, it is limit approximates 2 from the right hand, limit approximates 2 from the left hand side for negative 1. Answer is negative 1. So does this limit exist? When left hand side and right hand side doesn't same, the limit does not exist. Therefore, here we do the conclusion. Therefore, limit left hand side not same with limit right hand side of the function in the first principle here. Limit approximate 2 so limit for this function does not exist. Our first principle does not exist. Therefore, f prime 2 also does not exist. F prime 2 doesn't exist. So this function is not differentiable at x equals to 2.